Hey, Miss Engelson here with Reading Made Simple with Ingolese. Today we're playing the SLO MO word game for the most delicious holiday, Thanksgiving. You'll need your workbook or worksheet, which are linked down below, a pencil, and your ears ready to listen. I'm going to say these Thanksgiving words very slowly, like I'm in slow motion, and you'll need to decide what I'm saying. Take your pencil from the number of the word to the picture of that word, and then you'll see if you're right. Let's get started, because I am hungry. Number 1. Om. Om. Home, my personal favorite place to be. Next one. Eat. Eat. My personal favorite thing to do. Eat. Good job. Number 3. Am. Yes, ham. You got it. Number 4. Gravy. This one's long. Really listen. Gravy. It's delicious on everything. Gravy. Good job. Number 5. I. The most delicious part at the end of the meal. Pie. Next. Apple. 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 Good listening. Number 7. Bread. 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 You got it. Last but not least. Turkey. Turkey. The star of the show, turkey. Thank you so much for playing with me and making your brain grow to be an even better reader. You can play the SLO MO word game literally anywhere. All you need to do is look in the world around you, think of an object, and then say it very slowly with all of the sounds, and then see if a friend or a loved adult can guess what you're saying. You can find more reading activities at readingmadesimple.com. See you next time.